Balancing of an equation. What is balancing of an equation? Equalizing the atoms on both sides of an equation. Equalizing or equalization of atoms of reactants and products is called balancing of an equation. An equation is balanced. How do you balance an equation? See, we are equalizing. Equalizing atoms on both sides of an equation is called balancing of an equation. What is balancing of an equation? Equalizing atoms on both sides of an equation. What are present on both sides of an equation? On left hand side, reactants. On our right hand side, products are present. So, balancing of an equation means equalizing atoms of reactants with atoms of products. So, for that I have taken hydrogen, the equation hydrogen and chlorine. Use rise HCl. This is the equation. Hydrogen combines with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. First of all, we must see how many atoms of hydrogen are here on left hand side. 2 hydrogens are there. On right hand side, only 1 hydrogen is there. On left hand side, 2 chlorines are here. On right hand side, only 1 chlorine is there. Now, we have to balance atoms of hydrogen and chlorine. For that, what you have to do, you multiply this one by 2. If you keep 2 before the chemical formula, it means that there are 2 hydrogen chloride molecules. 2 molecules of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives rise 2 molecules of hydrogen chloride. Now, this is a balanced equation. H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to HCl. And in the same way, you see, N2 nitrogen combines with hydrogen to form ammonia. N2 plus H2 gives rise NH3. Ammonia, nitrogen is a gas, hydrogen is a gas, and ammonia is also a gas. 2 atoms of nitrogen, 2 atoms of hydrogen. This side, 1 atom of nitrogen, 3 atoms of hydrogen. So it is not balanced. To balance that one, what you have to do, you multiply this one by 2. If it is multiplied, we know there are 2 molecules of ammonia, 2 NH3. Therefore, 2 nitrogens are there. Okay. This side also 2 nitrogens. But this side, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 2, 3 is 6 hydrogen. 2 H3s. H3. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 6. How do you get 2, 3 is 6H? But here only 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So you multiply this one by 3. What will you get? 3 2s 6H. Therefore, 2 hydrogen atoms on this side, 2 nitrogen atoms on this side. 3 2 6 hydrogens and 2 3 6 hydrogen. So this is about balancing of chemical equation. I will give you number of examples based on this. You just understand what is balancing of equation and see if you find any of these type of balancing of equations, you tell me. You just send me. In the next class, I will explain by taking number of examples. Okay. Thank you.